Hi, Deadlock's here again, and for another see how many different items I can escape from the ASP cuffs with. Today, go with a paperclip.
What every office should have. Double locked.
Okay, so I'm going to take my paperclip. This is a trick that Coxie's picks shown in the video at some point.
And you totally ruin the paperclip, so you can never use it again.
I think if you're a hostage, I don't think you're going to be too bothered.
I'd be very upset, especially if you're the stationary storage person, stationary person.
So all I'm going to do, get this in the keyway, start moving it.
Doing
clockwise.
the jiggery pokery thing.
That should be the, but it's not. I must have just slid off it. So let's try that again. I don't believe that was it.
Nope.
No, I didn't think so. It sounded like it, but it didn't feel like it.
Could be because your fingers are all sticky.
The slippiness of my sweaty hands doesn't help. But that's the double lock off. Now if I just follow around the keyway.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll call the sweaty hands just realistic.
But if you were in a hostage situation, I'd be pretty sure you'd be a bit sweaty.
There we go. And there's the free Mr. Deadlocks.
Darn it.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.